go, inflated. Spice that bitch up.
Yeah, I can put you to my cat. Welcome back to the Diabetic Beast, and what we're going to do today is sprints, and then we're going to hit up some pull-ups over there, dips and push-ups. So what we're going to do now is the sprint. It's 5 sets, short bursts. We're not using full strength, full energy. It's just to warm up and get that stretching.
3, 2, 1, go.
Right, Naz, let's go. Hey, that still work?
Nah.
Is that rolling, yeah?
Yeah. This ain't nothing new, yeah, they know I got a drink. Shredda came through, she was loving on the ting. She know what we do when we pull up on the scene. Gotta keep my cool, but these haters hella mean. Sipping dirty clean, but I ain't a fiend. Shit ain't what it seems, but my money green. All this money, all these hundreds in my pocket. Taking off, going up like a rocket. Stop it, you ain't about that life, no you cannot be my bro. Money be my wife, I ain't looking for a hoe. Got a big mouth, you won't keep it on a low. Leaking on my tracks, now you trying to my flow.
Got Amir on the bar here. It's been 6 months since he's been on it. But
might have to put you down, you gon' end up on the floor. Snitching on the bros, 12 knocking on my door. Playing in that garden, you gon' turn me to a crow. Ballin' at the garden, now I'm feeling like a pro. This ain't nothing new, yeah, they know I got a dream. Shredda came through.
Naz going in for this 3rd set. Get the money.
Yeah, 3. I got a dream. Shredda came through, 4. She was loving on the ting. She know what we do when we pull up on the scene. Gotta keep my cool, but these haters hella mean.
He's getting that clean money. 6 good reps right there. Good work.
Shit ain't what it seems, but my money green. All this money, all this.
And we're rolling. Don't know if you can see my face there.
You can see, just
you
go
can
back,
see.
go back,
Okay.
yeah.
What we're gonna do here after the pull-ups, it's 5 sets of dips. You can see this is just a gate, but we compromise. And this goes out to semi. Hannibal, I see you in New York.
This is what Shoes Boy's doing.
But that's what I'm doing.
Shoes Boy's are doing.
You got Liam as well. We're out here in Edinburgh, but we're getting the money, we're getting the work. Ali, let that roll down.
Oh, he wants it to roll.
Yeah,
right, it's another video, yeah.
These hundreds in my pocket, taking off, going up like a rocket. First 2, you gon' be in awe when I tell you what I've been through. I was playing ball, ended up at a big stew. Coulda took the street route, but I gripped a pencil. Now I'm cooking up, I'ma grab the utensils. Now we turn up, we gon' throw a fucking party. We got all the Henny and Ciroc and Bacardi. DJ turn me on, turn me up like I'm.
That's another set, 2 sets done, 3 more to go. We got Amir next up on the bar. No? Alright, we'll cut Amir out.
Like my bitch is bad, foreign bitch, she a Barbie. This ain't nothing new, yeah, they know I got a dream. Shredda came through, she was loving on the ting. She know what we do when we pull up on the scene. Gotta keep my cool, but these haters hella mean. Sipping dirty clean, but I ain't a fiend. Shit ain't what it seems.
Do you like chicken? You're married?
You funny cunt.
What are you gonna eat for dinner tonight again? Chicken?
France.
Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, I was asleep.
We got Nasir and Liam on that clean money.
Green, all this money, all these hundreds in my pocket. Taking off, going up like a rocket.
Right there. This is a guy who's doing 100 per night. Look at the strength. Let's go, Nash. Even 20.
Pinky on. Put the pinky on.
Yes.
Hey, don't push him down though. That makes it harder.
That's enough?
25.
Alright.
First one down, 4 more to go.
What?
But I ain't a fiend. Shit ain't what it seems, but my money green. All this money, all these hundreds in my pocket. Taking off, going up like a rocket.
Alright, that's press up money. Again, just like with everything, we're going to try and do 5 sets. I'm going to try hit 25 reps, so we'll see.